I would like to share my own experience about one more AR application, which is called Metaverse Studio. So you do the same, you open Google, then type Metaverse AR and follow the first link which appear above. So I am already registered user and I have my account. As you can see, below are some of my projects. I will show you the results with the help of my mobile phone, but for now we will create a new experience with the help of the button in the right corner. So you can see it is empty. To start, you have to type text above and choose a picture. So let's do some grammar on prepositions. And the first will be about the preposition, behind. So we wait while it will show us the images from the library. Yeah, I like this one. You press button use. Now you have your picture here and you type a text. So this will be the filling gaps exercise. You can give some instructions or type the sentence. For example. And then you have to add two options from two or more options from which a student can choose. I will add behind and I will add on. So I have two options which will lead to two different results. So if it's correct, I choose transition to the scene, new scene, and add this one. So I show you some simple options. Then you can investigate or visit my YouTube page to see other projects about other options. We do the most simplest, actually way. Then the next one will be another preposition. So I type on and I see this nice elephant and I add the new sentence. Elephant is the ball. Again, I add two variants. For example, on and above. Let it be above. Again, one variant now is correct, another one is not. Let's do the correct one. So if the elephant is on the ball, I'll need transition to the new scene. Okay, and then we'll do one more preposition. Let's do under. Okay, let's wait. I will choose this boy. This is not an animated picture, but it is good. And I will type, for example, the table. Okay, and again two options. Yeah, the first one will be correct. No, the first one will be incorrect. It will be behind. Yeah, let's do behind. Okay, so and if we want to finish, we add new scene. Let's put a smile here. Happy. Okay, or I like this happy Pac-Man. And we add well done. Okay, and in case we are done, we choose this option and say and experience. So now the first line is complete. But what will happen if the student will choose incorrect option? So we also add scene. Okay, move it here. Then we can add some sad face, for instance. Okay, he says, would you like to try again? Sorry, question mark, yeah. Okay, let's add one variant here. Yes, sure. Okay, and then we have to choose transition to the scene 1. which is already created here on the left side. Then our student will definitely choose the correct answer. But in case of elephant, again, a mistake can occur. So we select new scene, edit here. We can copy paste, I'm sorry, the text, or type something else like oops. And for example, I know the right answer. Okay, and then we have again to choose transition to the scene. In this case, scene number 2. And finally, the same will happen here. We add the new scene. Okay, with a sad smile here. And he says, try once more, please. And one option, for example, okay, yeah. And transition to the scene number 3. And now we have our project finished. We have to publish it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. There are some options, and you can add sound to the picture. There is a huge library where you can listen to all the options and add music in case you need. So when you're finished, you press publish button and name your experience like grammar task and publish. After that, you can share it in social networks, or you can use your mobile phone, scan the QR code and see the result. Let's see. I will use my mobile phone